Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making something light crispy, rice kurkure. Let's get started. Take 1 cup of rice. Soak it for 2 hours and wash it well. Pour the rice into a blender. Add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Add half cup of water and blend into a smooth paste. Blend the mixture really smooth for a better texture. Always dry your boiled potatoes before mashing to avoid sogginess. Now pour it into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 chopped green chili, and half teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Then beat the batter for 2 to 3 minutes to get it fluffy and light. Beat the batter well to add natural air, making them fluffier. Heat oil on medium heat. Drop small portion of the batter into the oil. Rice is a quick source of energy. Potatoes provide fiber and potassium. Ginger and green chili help boost digestion. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes until they are golden, crispy, and puffed up. Did you know kurkure means crispy in Hindi? It's a great starter or tea time bite for any age. And there you have it, delicious crunchy rice kurkure made fresh at home. So easy, so quick and full of flavor. Thank you for joining us on Innovin Foods. Stay tuned for more tasty bites and simple recipes. Would you dip this in ketchup, chutney or mayo? Comment below and tell us your twist on this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more crunchy delight.